Another question that we get asked all the time is, do you guys just use the timer mode on your camera to take your photos of yourselves? And we rarely do. We do use it sometimes, but rarely. And that's generally if we're going to be jumping into water or fully submerging ourselves, then yeah, we'll go ahead and use the timer mode because we can't take any electronics in the water. But there's a lot of other options out there. We generally use just a Bluetooth remote, and this remote will connect directly to your camera. It's important to get one that's small and that you can hide easily while you're taking your photos. A lot of our photos, you may be able to find it in there. I try to be discreet, but it's in my hand almost 100% of the time. So that is another really good option. A lot of cameras do have intervalometers built into the camera. You can also get an external intervalometer remote that will actually take photos every X number of seconds. Also a very cool option. Our camera does not do that. We don't want to carry around an extra piece of gear, so we have not gone that route. So this is where we're at, guys, the small Bluetooth remote.
So like he said, don't forget, you have to hide it because you definitely don't want it shown in the photos. So like you saw when we were shooting ourselves up on the train, Daniel's hands were busy holding on while he was helping me up. So I took a turn holding the remote that time. We just kind of switch off. It just depends on the photo, the setting, who holds the remote and who hides it best.